Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today's I will solve question answer of this lesson. This lesson name is Days We Observe, chapter 22 in SST class 5. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's start. Find out and write the dates when the following days are celebrated. First, World Yoga Day, 21st June. Second, World Water Day, 22nd March. Third, International Day of Forests, 21st March. Fourth, World Fisheries Day, 21st November. Match the following. Column A, column B. First, International Women's Day, purple ribbon. Second, International Day of the Girl Child, 11 October. Third, World Day Against Child Labor, International Labor Organizations. 4. Universal Children's Day, 20 November. B. Fill in the blanks. First, the International Women's Day is a call for gender equality. Second, World Day Against Child Labor is celebrated under the initiative of ILO. Third, every year's 5 June is celebrated as World Environment Day. C. Circle the correct option. First, we celebrate International Women's Day on 8 March. Second, World Health Day is celebrated to create awareness about global health issues. Third, unemployment is not an environmental issue. Fourth, the International Day of the Girl Child is celebrated on 11th October. I have done some question in book. After that, D, E, I will solve in notebook. Chapter 22, Day We Observe. Answer the following questions in short. First, what is the importance of International Women's Day? First, International Women's Day is celebrated to show social and political achievement of the women across the world, and it is also a call for gender equality. Second, what are the environmental concerns that the World Environment Day tries to address? Answer. We are reminded of our responsibility toward reducing the emission of greenhouse gases, countering the depletion of ozone gases, deforestation, and global warming. 3. What are the benefits of celebrating UN Day internationally? Answer. International UN Day are celebrated to promoting international peace, human rights, and development. 4. What are the discriminations that the girl child faces? Answer. The girl child denied education, nutritious diet, proper medical attention, and legal rights. E. Answer the following questions in detail. First, write a short notes on International Women's Day. Answer. International Women's Day is celebrated to show respect, appreciation, and love towards women. This day is celebrated on 8 March every year. It also celebrates the social, economic, and political achievement of the women across the world. This day reminds us of our responsibility to stand against exploitations and violence toward women. Second, what are the main objectives of celebrating World Day Against Child Labor? Answer. The International Labour Organization ILO celebrated the first World Day Against Child Labor on June 12, 2002 at its headquarters in Geneva, which had been established the day before. The purpose of World Day Against Child Labor is to promote and broaden the global call to end child labor. 3. How should we observe the UNDA? Answer: United Nations observances or international observance day help us to remember important issues. Most countries have been working tirelessly to address these issues. The International Observances Day and celebrated to commemorate, promote and mobilize the world towards social and humanitarian causes. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. After that I will solve assignment for chapter 16 to 22. A. Match the following. Column A, column B. First, Battle of Plassey, 1757. Second, Lok Sabha, a maximum of 552 members. Fundamental rights, right to equality. 4. Council of the States, Rajya Sabha. 5. The Security Council, 15 members. B. Tick the correct answer. First, what was the main aim of the doctrine of lapse? Annexation of states. Second, Arya Samaj was founded by Dayanand Saraswati. Third, the civil disobedience movement started in 1930. 4. The right to freedom of religion is provided because India is a secular country. 5. The Vice President of India is the chairman of the Sorry student, I don't know these questions. I think Vidhan. I think Vidhan. I think so Vidhan. Fill in the blanks. The Indian National Congress was founded in 28 December 1885, Mumbai. Second, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born in 17 October 1817 in Delhi. Third, all citizens are equal in the eyes of the law. Fourth, the President is the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of India. 5. Discrimination on the basis of caste, religion, race, sex, place of birth is a punishable offense in India. After that, I will solve Evaluate Yourself 2, chapter 12 to 22. A. Write true and false. First, true. Second, true. Third, true. 4, true. 5, false. 6, true. 7, false. 8, true. 9, false. 10, false. Okay, student? Fill in the blanks. First, the Battle of Plassey was fought in northeastern India on 23rd June 1757. Second, at the time of the India's independence, Lord Mountbatten was the Viceroy of India. Third, Raja Ram Mohan Rai was the founder of the Brahma Samaj. Fourth, the Constitution of India came into force in 26 January 1950. 5. The maximum numbers of members of the Lok Sabha is 552. 6. Any agent that causes pollution is called a pollutant. 7. All living organisms require oxygen to breathe. 8. Cinder cones shield volcanoes and all living organisms require oxygen to breathe. 8. Cones shield volcanoes and stratovolcanoes are the 3 types of volcanoes. Name the following. It is an extended period of lack of rain or water replenishment. It is a drought. Second, a simple circular object when added to carts makes them move easily and much faster is a wheel. Third, it was constituted by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose to fight against the British Indian National Army. For I am the fastest mode of transport today? An aeroplane. 5. 5. Marketing or advertising. Second, pollutant. Third, deforestation. 8, the focus on hypocenter. 9, is highway or expressway. 10th, mass communication. D, complete the following statements with correct answer. Wellesley. Second, 5. 3rd April. 4, tsunami. 5, Alexander Graham Bell. 6, 1857. 7, Mumbai. 8, Bengal. 9, Parliament. 10th, 1945. Okay, student. E question. Answer the following question in notebook. Evaluate yourself. Second, answer the following question. First, what are droughts? Why do they occur? Answer: drought is the prolonged dry period in the natural climate cycle that can occur anywhere in the world. Droughts can occur in any regions of the world, including the US. Second, how did mechanization make transportation across long distances easier? Answer: machines allowed faster and easier production. Steam in engines would also lead to development of locomotives and massive leaps forward in ship propulsion. The invention of the steam engine would eventually lead to a revolution in transportation around the globe. Third, how are river and canal useful? River carry water and nutrients to areas all around the earth. They play a very important part in the water cycle, acting as drainage channel for surface water. Canal are also used to transport water for irrigation and other human uses. 4. What is a facsimile machine? What are its functions? A facsimile machine, commonly called a fax machine, is a device that scans a printed document, converts it into an electronic signal. Its primary function is to send and receive physical documents electronically through a phone line. What a logogram? Answer: a logogram, also referred to as a logograph, is used to represent units of language called morphemes. Okay, student, I have done all question in this lesson. I mean to say chapter 22, evaluate yourself, and assignment 4. Okay, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, student, Allah Hafiz. Bye.